Right, this is Stephen's tipplers. Are you happy with the tipplers, Stephen?
Right.
What's the most you've had out of your tipplers? Where did you get them from? So you've got a couple of racers in there now. Couple of rollers. What's your favourite pigeon? Roller. I think that's the best player you've got. Little black and white hen.
My second favourite.
He's a nice pigeon and now next to you, jeweller. Bristle. He was going to let them out today, but it's been thundering, so he's kept them in and fed them up. But they're nice birds. What was it? Burdens and lovets. And they are good pigeons. The racers are Van Loons, aren't they? Them only babbies. I put them in this morning for them. But they are nice pigeons. Are you happy with them, son?
Certainly are.
Huh?
Certainly are. What do you think?
I think we could be off from them, can't we? You what? I like the red one as well. And that bristle, I put that in this morning for him. Where's his nest mate, the little black one? Oh, there he is, all the back. But once he gets them all gone, he's going to have a canny team. But there's two in here, that check mating, and there's a blue mating hiding. You got them off Eddie Baldwin now, they're tuned. So he'll have a good team because he's got some more to come in. Because he keeps on picking all my yawns. Aye, they're nice pigeons. So.
Better win some competitions or?
Huh?
Better win some competitions or?
Hope so, son. Got to finish. He's aggressive, but you'll have any. Papi's gone, son. Papi's gone to say goodbye.
Goodbye, more to come.
Right. No, well done. It's just, if it's over 15, oh, stick. I'll put them straight back on. So. I'll put your mask glasses on, see if I can sort this out. Fucking shy as fuck. What's saying them? Say something. They're not going to be able to see it here.
And you're done.
Battery's low, son. I'll do it. Hold that.